on one of your beats.
Yeah, I've heard that.
Jordan almost fell.
Running from these demons. Running, really hope you see this. Running, really wish I was sleeping. Running from these fucking demons. Running, I could never find it. Running, my love left me, now I'm blinded. Running, hoping one day she just find me. Sitting in the dirt, looking up, just getting grimy. I know, it's gonna be a better day soon. Quit telling me all that shit that you think you knew. I don't know anything, I've been living in my dreams. Wish I could just go to sleep, live it every day of the week. Running from these demons. Running, really hope you see this. Running, really wish I was sleeping. Running from these fucking demons. And I guess that it's safe to say I've been living up here in my fucking mind, brain. I don't know what to do with my life anymore. I'm growing up and it's feeling trifling once more. And I wanna get out of this place that I've been living in, and it's not very safe for me. Fuck it, look at that cheese, look at that bread on the table, and please just make me a sandwich. Sriracha sauce and a slamming. Oh my god, look at that kid, rapping, I don't give a shit. I'ma be that one, I'ma be coming up, I'ma be getting something real. But I know it's gonna be like that for the rest of my life, till I hit this rap shit. I've been living in my mind for 10 damn days. Wait, scratch that, make it years. I be in this place. Running from these demons. Running, really hope you see this. Running, really wish I was sleeping. Running from these fucking demons. Running from these demons. Running, really hope you see this. Running, really wish I was sleeping. Running from these fucking demons.
I freaking rolled every single. I bought that pack of backwoods last night and I rolled them all at least that fat. So I was like Gary, look, this is how you roll a backwoods. Because he always puts like a little gram in a backwoods. It's like so skimpy. I'm like, bro, can't be doing that shit. Doesn't even get me lit.
This is such a banger, guys.